the ultimate smart car battery charger. A closer look at the NOCO GENIUS10. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable car battery charger is essential, whether you're a daily commuter, an outdoor adventurer, or a vehicle enthusiast. Enter the NOCO GENIUS10, a smart car battery charger that's more than just a charger. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to keep your batteries in top condition. A compact yet powerful upgrade. The Genius 10 builds on the legacy of its predecessor, the G7-200, by being 17% smaller while delivering over 115% more power. It's an all-in-one solution, serving as a battery charger, maintainer, trickle charger, float charger, and desulfator. Its compact size and robust performance make it an indispensable tool for a wide range of vehicles. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Has versatility at its best. One of the standout features of the NOCO Genius 10 is its versatility. This device is compatible with 6-volt and 12-volt sealed lead-acid batteries, including flooded, gel, AGM, SLA, VRLA, and maintenance-free varieties, as well as lithium-ion batteries, LiFePO4. Whether you own a car, motorcycle, ATV, RV, or even a boat, this charger has you covered. Intelligent charging technology. The Genius 10 is equipped with a digital thermal sensor that adjusts the charge based on the surrounding temperature. This ensures precision charging by eliminating the risks of overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold ones. Resurrect dead batteries. Say goodbye to the frustration of a dead battery. The NOCO Genius 10 can charge batteries with voltages as low as 1 volt. Additionally, its innovative force mode allows you to manually charge batteries with 0 volts, a game-changing feature for challenging situations. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Battery restoration made simple. Using advanced battery repair technology, the Genius 10 can restore lost battery performance by addressing issues like sulfation and acid stratification. This results in stronger engine starts and prolonged battery life, saving you time and money in the long run. Maintenance made easy. The Genius 10 is more than a trickle charger, it's an advanced battery maintainer. Its fully automatic operation ensures 24/7 worry-free charging without the risk of overcharging. You can confidently leave it connected to your battery, knowing it's in safe hands. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Wide compatibility. From classic cars to jet skis, the Genius 10 can handle it all. It's compatible with gas and diesel vehicles of all shapes and sizes, including cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, tractors, snowmobiles, and even golf carts.